Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Stardew Valley on PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to have your Steam account. So to do that, just open your web browser and then type out stored.steampower.com and then click on the install Steam option. So you can see this one here. Just click on it and then click on the install Steam. Okay, and then right after that, you will be able to see the file and then click on it to install and then sign in or create your Steam account. Now that you have done that process, just click on your Steam application and then use the search bar and then type out the name of the game that you want to download. So let's type out Stardew Valley. Okay, so you will then just have to click on it and then scroll down. Okay, and you'll be able to see the price of the game and then click on add to cart. Now you can purchase this game for yourself or purchase this as a gift. So I'll be purchasing this one for myself. And then you'll be able to see here the payment method. So just select the payment method that you want to use. And then right after that, you'll be asked to type out your payment information. And after that, you'll be able to purchase the game, install it, and then play it. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.